Okay guys, this is Emmanuel. In this video we're gonna see the best mods that I have done to my Corolla till today. Alright, let's see it. Okay guys, the first mod is the wrap. As you can see there, it has a 3M Psychedelic full wrap. The original color of the car is blue, so you can see there how it looks. It looks amazing. So the first one is the wrap. That's the first mod. The number 2, the lowering spring. My car is lowered 2.5 inches with the D2 Pro lowering spring. Okay, and the third one is the wheels. I have a Rotiform Wheels TMB. They are 18 by 9.5. Okay, all the links are gonna be on the description of the video. Alright, and the number 4 are the side skirts. I made these side skirts, these are rain gutters, and I'm gonna put the link of the video too on the description of the video so you can make them for your car too. So these ones, number 4 side skirts. The number 5 mod is the front lip spoiler, this one. I bought it on eBay, but you can get it on Amazon too. So this one was $120. Alright, and the number 6 is this spoiler for the rear bumper. I got them on eBay too, but you can get it on Amazon too. So this is the number 6. This one and this also. Alright guys, and the number 7 is wrap, reflective wrap for the brake calipers. Okay. Alright guys, and the number 8 is the rear trunk spoiler. This is the Injen rear spoiler. It's for a Honda Civic, but I made it fit, but it's not that hard to make it fit to the car. So you can see it there, it looks very cool, and it's around 90 bucks. Rear spoiler, Injen rear spoiler. Alright, and the number 9 is this diffusers pins. Diffuser, but I broke one. I have to replace one, but these are very cheap, around like $15, something like that, or $20 for the set. So this is the modification number 9, carbon look pin spoiler for diffuser. Alright guys, and the number 10 is this one, a strut bar. Okay, this one is to make the handling better of the car, and it's not that expensive too. It's like around 90 bucks. The stress bar, strut stress bar. And the number 11 is the intake. I have the intake, the Injen intake long arm. That one was around 300 bucks, but it makes the car sound very cool and good. Okay guys, and the number 12 is the sound system. I have a subwoofer and kicker speakers, so that's the number 12. Okay, the sound system, but I still have the stock head unit. Okay guys, and the number 13 are the LEDs. You can see it here. Have LEDs here. Everything is LED. You can see this one. And the tail lights, they have LEDs too. And the brake lights LED, so everything now it's LED on my car. And number 14, tint of the taillight. On the taillight you can see it there, how it looks. Have tint here and light black tint here too on the taillights, on the headlights, sorry. And also I have the eyelids here, so tint and vinyl on the headlights and taillights. Okay, number I think 15, paddle shifters. I have paddle shifters here, aluminum in silver. That's number 15. Number 16, shift knob and shift boot on the interior. Okay guys, those are the best mods that I have done for my car. I have done a lot of mods, but these are the most important mods because I didn't want to make the video too long. So let me know what you guys think. The list of all the mods that I have done to my car is gonna be on the description of the video. Let me know if you like the video. What do you think? Put in the comments. Subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.